Hi everybody, welcome back to my show. I'm your host Art Vandal, and today as our guest we have a very highly acclaimed astronomer, Dr. Peter von Nostrand.
Hi, how are you?
Hello, Dr. Peter.
Hi.
Okay, Dr. Peter, I understand you just wrote a book.
Yeah, my book's about the moon.
This is a very high-selling book, I understand.
Yeah.
I've read a few pages myself, and I have to say, how was the moon formed?
Well, in my book, I have a whole chapter devoted to the formation of the moon, and there are actually 5 possible theories to this. The first theory being the fission theory, which is the moon was actually part of the Earth at one point, and it broke off somehow, and is now orbiting the Earth as the moon. It was actually, we think it was the Pacific Basin. It came from the Pacific Ocean Basin.
Alright, so there's obviously 5. Tell me about the second one. It's called the capture theory.
Yeah, the capture theory, it's kind of interesting. It's, the moon was actually at one point space debris, some scientists think, and when it was floating, it got too close to the Earth and got caught in the gravitational field of the Earth, and it just has been going around, it's just been orbiting around the Earth ever since.
Just round and round.
Just round and round.
Now the next one up is the condensation theory, correct?
Yeah, the
number 3.
Yeah, the condensation theory is actually rather simple. It's the most simple of all of them, I think. It's when the solar system was formed through the explosion of a star forming the sun and all of our planets. The moon was just formed along with the Earth, and the Earth was bigger, so the moon got trapped in the gravitational field of the Earth, and that's just pretty much it.
Okay, like the fourth theory, I read the book, is called the colliding planetesidules, and from what I read and understand, it involves collisions of planetesidules.
Yeah, it does. The name does imply the actual theory, where a bunch of colliding planetesidules. Planetesidules are, in layman's terms, they're just large asteroids, and they just collided together, and there were a bunch of asteroids that collided together and formed our moon.
And the final and fifth theory is called the ejected ring theory.
Yeah, this is the theory.
Is that like Lord of the Rings?
No, not quite. But this is the theory that's most accepted by scientists. It's, when the Earth was forming, it was about 80% of its mass, and then a big rock came in, almost collided with Earth. And this collision, some of the rock stuck to the Earth and helped build its mass up, and some of it actually broke off and formed what our moon is today.
Alright, so that's 5 theories. High five.
Okay.
Come on.
Okay.
Alright, we're just about done for today. We're gonna take a commercial break, and when we come back, I'll be interviewing Miss Lindsay Lohan.
Yeah, you're creepy. Thank you. Nice being on the show.